I've been to Paris many times, just a couple of times for, let's say, for festival. I wish I could come more often. This is too much. Who hasn't seen the film? A couple? Hold on to your seat. It was so much fun making this film. I won't say too much about it because you just want to see the film, and maybe at the end you can still talk a little bit. This was delicious filmmaking. For the first-time director who got what I wanted to do, and it wasn't like stereotyped. And the first idea was, let's make a really scary movie. And you know, I love the fact that people hung on to this movie for so long, and that it is such a long life. Because I made it. It was made like, you know, the decision was made like in 20 seconds. Right after I was like launched as the major hero in America, because Lady Hawk had just come out, and they were asking me these questions about, so you're not going to do any more bad guys, and I had no idea what the hell they were saying, because I'm an actor, you know, and I just, you know, I go where the script wants me to go, and direct it. So, and I was basically acting in film stuff. So, and then the next day, I got this that launched their name as director, as a short film. They were all really wonderful. The script was really good. We changed 3 words in the script. That's what I did. The film that you see is the script, and the rest basically that is in there is texture from, you know, from the director and like Nicholas Martin and C. Thomas Howell is missing mine. So I think
to translate a few things.
I keep forgetting that you fucking French. International
Bon, il faut qu'on apprenne à parler le fucking English alors. Donc, je pense que vous avez compris qu'il a dit que c'était génial. Ce tournage, c'est un très très bon souvenir pour lui. Il était extrêmement, c'était fabuleux, que c'était quasiment le script au mot près, à 3 mots près, et que aux États-Unis, les héros venaient de sortir et les gens lui ont dit bon, maintenant tu vas plus jouer de méchant, hein, c'est fini. Il ne comprenait pas ce que ça voulait dire pour lui. Lui, c'est un acteur. Son truc, c'est de jouer et de suivre la vision du réalisateur. Jouer les méchants et les gentils, ça reste des rôles. Donc, il a quand même fait ce film et qu'il a un très très bon souvenir du film.
That was cool. I'll try and speak slower later. This is, to me, this is people say this is a scary movie. That's the first layer, guys. That's the first layer. There's so much fun in this movie. There's so much irony. There's a love story in this movie. There's a lot of dust in this movie. A lot of ghosts in this movie.
Les gens disent que c'est un film qui fait peur, mais c'est tellement plus que ça. Il y a des fantômes, il y a de la rigolade, il y a de la poussière, il y a tout à la fois. Et d'ailleurs, je me souviens effectivement tout à l'heure, il a dit un autre truc. Il a juste dit qu'il avait rencontré le réalisateur Robert Harmon et vu son court-métrage à l'époque avant de faire Hitchcock. Ça s'était tellement bien passé et que le court-métrage était tellement bien qu'il avait décidé de faire le film.
Et c'est un peu mauvais parce que je comprends français.